While studying in Netherhat School, at an early age, I developed an interest in scientific research. I was good in mathematics and science, but poor in languages. During my school days, I started reading many books on mathematics and physics. I got especially interested in mathematical puzzles and fallacies. I also had the chance to go through a book on Vedic mathematics and learned some of the tricks of speedy calculations. While I was in class 9th, I developed an interest in elementary particles and wanted to do research in particle physics. In 1976, I appeared for IIT-JEE and got a reasonably good rank without any preparation other than skimming through a guidebook for question patterns. I opted to take physics at IIT Kharagpur, though initially, the counseling team admitted me in electrical with the promise of changing to physics if I so desired later. I had also appeared for the National Science Talent Search examination conducted by NSERT and got selected for the national award that was sufficient to meet the expenses those days. My project was to measure convection current speed in liquids of different viscosity and make a mathematical model. I used a model to predict this speed in tubes of different cross-sections. I had to use calculus and hydrodynamics to do this. I topped my Bachelor's of Science at Kharagpur and moved to Delhi University due to a larger number of specializations being offered in physics to complete my master's. Here I specialized in the area of astrophysics and relativity. I worked with Dr. Narlikar in the summer of 1981 at TFR as part of NSTS summer camp on black holes. I had applied to a few U.S. universities to obtain a PhD degree in physics. My statement of purpose (SOP) was based on my interest in astrophysics and relativity. I got admission to the world's top-rated university in physics, University of California, Berkeley, with a fellowship of about $800 per month along with travel support of $400. However, something interesting happened on the night of departure to the USA. One of my maternal uncles, who had come to see me off, asked me about what research area I am going to focus on. A thought crossed my mind at that time. I felt that working on universe was not going to be useful to India and replied to him that either I would work on nuclear fusion or space technology. Subsequently I did my doctoral thesis in nuclear fusion and returned to India. You can read more about my life on my blog. That's all for today.